Bostitch, professional fastening since 1896, introduced its first coil nailer over 50 years ago. Today we introduce 5 new brushless, cordless nailers for framing and finish. All powered by Bostitch 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries and brushless motors, these nailers will get you right to work without gas cartridges for operation. You can move freely around the job site without compressors or hoses. In fact, they can save you time and money. By switching to these Bostitch nailers, frequent gas nailer users could save up to $15 per week in fuel cells and maintenance costs, with pneumatic users saving up to 20 minutes per day wasted on setup and cleanup time. The finish nailers have many of the features found on our pneumatic nailers, and they are all about the detail, incorporating a narrow nose designed for a clear line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The legacy continues. The new family of Bostitch brushless cordless nailers, from framing to finish, designed for the professional and built to last.